Today, we'll talk about how much I saved in labor costs by doing all the work on my Tacoma myself. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you guys are all staying healthy and safe, and Happy New Year. Today, it is January 1st, 2021. So today we're going to be talking about how much I saved in labor costs by doing all the work on my Tacoma myself. Now, what I've done is I've actually reached out to a few local overland shops and also 4x4 shops in Salt Lake City. I got some quotes and we're going to average it all out to see how much we saved. Now we'll start with the last mod I did, which was a sound system. Essentially, with the sound system and the sound deadening, I was quoted on average $650 to do the sound deadening and install the speakers. Now for the suspension on the front, essentially with the Bilstein 5100s, the Old Man Emu 887s, we're looking at around $460. That's for about 4 hours of labor at $115 an hour. Now I did this twice, so here I saved about $920. On the rears with the Adeleaf and also the 5100s, looks like we saved about $460 on average. They're quoting us about 4 hours of work at $115. Now for the roof rack, for the actual roof rack assembly and installation, also we're looking at about 4 hours at $460. Now for the lighting, for the bumper light, ditch lights, fog lights, we're looking at, for the ditch lights, $230 with the brackets installed. For the actual bumper light, 2 hours, coming at $230. And then for the LED roof light, actually, I was just quoted 1 hour at $115. And that's also with the switch panel, which is about 1 hour at $115. Now for the grill, hour and a half, which for me, it took me like 15 minutes. We're looking at $172.50. Now, the biggest expense, which I believe is kind of a ripoff, considering you can do it yourself, is the actual topper. I was quoted on average about 5 hours at $115, averaging it out, so $575. So total in 2020, I saved $41.5750. With that being said, I saved money, so I did place an order for a new bumper and also some more lighting. So that should be here in the next 2 weeks. That's going to be coming up probably in like 2 months as far as a video. And then we're also looking at doing a upgraded suspension on this, along with some bigger tires. Let me know what you think about these rates and where you're from. These are based off Salt Lake City. It's a short video. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great day. See ya.